When it comes to service, reliability, and innovation, Dixon-Bako is your best choice. Located in Westchester, Ohio, Dixon-Bako is a proud U.S. manufacturer and supplier of petroleum, dry bulk, and overfill protection products. We offer a variety of solutions for transportation of hazardous products, including Flowtech overfill systems, API adapters and vapor recovery equipment for fuel tankers, swing check, air relief, butterfly valves, and pneumatic filtration systems for dry bulk trailers, and our Baylock line of dry disconnect valves. With in-house design, testing, and machine shop capabilities, our 45,000 square foot facility provides the ideal environment for high-quality manufacturing of innovative products. We pride ourselves on service and offer a 24/7 technical hotline for petroleum overfill protection products. Our 12 distribution centers nationwide are well-stocked and ready to ship to ensure you always have the right connection. Dixon-Bako, a partnership you can count on.